Hi guys, a couple of months ago I made a video about the 4-channel dashcam, Blackvue dashcam in the Model X. Now let's see what it looks like in a Model S. So first of all, let me walk you around the car to see what it looks like from the outside. So here you have the 4K rear view camera, right? That one is attached to this side cam, right? Which gives you an image if you step about a meter away from the car, which gives you a view up until about here, where you have the rear view or the side view mirror, right? That's where you get coverage from that back camera up until a meter away from the car. And then we go to the front camera, which is again a 4K camera, as you've seen before, and that one is then covering all the way up until here, more or less. And then as from here, the rear view mirror again, then you will get the image from this car or from this camera. Now let's look at it from the inside. Now if you look at it from the inside, this is a 4K camera, which is then coupled through that little grommet there to the side camera. Let me show you how the side cameras are integrated. So here we see the other side, right? So you hardly see it, and you won't even notice it when you're sitting in the back there, right? And then of course, if we look at the front camera, which is also a 4K camera, so that is attached here, right? And from a driver's perspective, again, it's completely invisible, as you can see in the rear view mirror. The back camera, that one is also not visible from a perspective from the front seat. Let's have a look at what the images are and how you see me walk around the car and how it connects to each other. So with this 4-channel setup of Blackvue cameras, this customer now has virtually 360 degrees coverage in case of rear, front or side impacts, and he has now proof, and hopefully he won't be needing that anytime soon, but better safe than sorry, right? If you're interested in a dashcam for your Tesla and you're in the area of the Benelux or close by, then please let me know, and we'll get together and work something out to get your car with a dashcam as well. For now, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.